In this video, we're just going to look briefly at how we can use our calculator to calculate integrals. So firstly, we're going to go into our run matrix. And then in here, what we can do is if we go to math and then move across, you will see that there is an integration function. Okay, so once we press that, we get that up here. And so then I can just enter whatever my function is. So let's say I've got x squared plus sine of 2x, okay, dx, and I wanted to integrate it between 0 and move across 2 pi. Okay, press my enter button, and then that gives me my definite integral between 0 and 2 pi. Now, be careful, because remember, this will calculate the area between those two. So if there is part of it, sorry, it won't calculate the area, it's finding the definite integral. So if there is part of the function underneath the curve, it will subtract it away. If you're going to find the area, you would have to make sure you find the roots so that you can separate your integration into parts. Now, that function is one way we can do the integration. The second method is I can go back into menu, I can go down to graph, and I can enter my graph. I'm going to put in my function that I had, which was x squared plus sine of 2x. Close that. Okay, I'm going to draw it. Now, I'm going to go view window, and actually let's go into zoom. Let's do standard first. There's my function. Now I want to integrate it between 0 and 2 pi. So I'm going to go to gsolve, and then I go across, and you'll see the integration symbol again. I want to go the first one, and I'm going to go either, I can move my cursor left and right to find my points, or I can just enter my 0, and that will give me my lowest bound. Press execute, press 5, no, I don't want 5, I want 2 pi as my upper bound. Press execute, and then as you can see, it gives me my definite integral there. Now, if I want to find area under the curve, I'll do that in another video. So that is our two ways that we can find the indefinite integral of a function, either through our run menu using that function, or through drawing the graph and doing the integral function through there.